So the sum, that's sigma for sum, of the probabilities that the events occur over all events has to equal to 1. But all right, so the last one before you eat all your candies is making success and failure have a 75% and 25% model. So see what you can do with that. Kind of interesting. Here's a marker. Oh, good. That works really well. So again, you're asking yourself, am I getting results as or more extreme than I would expect? All right. Now, this is, in the other results after that first one are more what I'm expecting, right? Because what are you expecting? She said she's expecting the left side, because it's a bigger space, to have a higher probability of occurrence. And in fact, she should be expecting it to be close to what? 7 to 3. So 7 to 3. It's 75%, right? And you flipped it, you dropped it 10 times, so it's not going to be 7.5, right? What's it going to, so it could be 7 and 3. You might also be expecting 8 and 2. Are we done? So they told me this was 70.7%, and this one is 29.2%. I could have. If this choice of scenario, whether it affects or does not affect the underlying probability model, just your comments on those, and just in this we modeled probability situations, right? So we modeled a situation where you just have a trial, you do something, and the outcome has two possible outcomes, success or failure. We modeled that 2 ways. Are those the only 2 ways? No, there are plenty of others. So the choice, if you choose carefully and correctly and do it right, the choice shouldn't make a difference. So maybe a different one might be whether you're going to vote for a certain candidate for president, right? So who are you going to vote for? You can turn that, even if there are 4 or 5 candidates, you can turn that into, Obama, yes or no, right? Did they vote for Obama or not Obama? So they can use those kinds of things here too. So, and of course, as we move to the plate, does it always have to be 50-50? I'm supposed to ask you and not tell you, right? No, it does not always have to be 50-50. And in fact, it won't always be, right?